Hi Radiant, I welcome you all back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to comb your natural hair to avoid breakage. The first thing you need is to spray your hair with water. Natural hair needs water, so spray that hair with lots of water. Once you are done spraying with water, finger detangled a little, then apply your leave-in conditioner. Another essential tools or product that you need for your hair is leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner moisturizes your hair. It makes it soft and easy to comb, also prevent too much breakage. So apply your leave-in conditioner, massage it deep into your hair from the tips down to the roots. Once you are done, get a wide teeth comb and begin to comb your hair from the tip back to the roots, just as I'm doing in this video. The right way is to section the hair either into 3 or 4 parts, but because we are in a rush, I quickly need to pack her hair. That is why you are doing this shortcut combing. But the right way is to section your hair into 3 or 4. But regardless of that, you can see that I'm still combing her hair in sections. Comb from the tips back to the roots gradually. Be gentle with your hair. That will also prevent breakage. It will prevent you having pain or headache while combing. And now that I'm satisfied with detangling and the softness of her hair, I will be packing it into ponytails because my daughter wants her hair to be in a ponytail on this particular day. And another request is she doesn't want me to apply gel or edge control, but we have to pack the hair into a ponytail. So what I'm going to do next now is, as I'm combing her hair, I will be holding on to it in that smaller section. You can see what I'm doing now. I will comb, and instead of me to let go of it, my other hand I'll be using my other hand to hold on to to her hair at the center. With that, I will be able to pack everything into a ponytail. Once I'm done and I've ensured I have all her hair in one part, I will take my hairband or whatsoever you are using to pack your hair and pack the hair together. After that, since we are not applying gel or any edge control, get a brush, a very nice toothbrush, head brush, whatsoever you have around you, and just brush the little edges all together. And as you are brushing it, so since your hand is still moisturized, you have a lot of products on your hand, water, hair growing oil or leave-in conditioner, just brush and slip the hair down with that your hand. As you are brushing it, ensure that you are using that hand to press down all the tiny hair at the edges, both at the front and also at the back. With this, you will be able to achieve a ponytail that can last you the whole day, depending on how long you want to stay out or at home. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoy and learn 1 or 2 tips. Bye.